In this article we will particularly walk you through most recent Dogelon damages Elon regard assumption for 2022-2025. Without a doubt we truly deal with you in an extraordinarily immense way. We will cover everything from how Elon fundamentally isn't precisely identical to different cash-related standards in dealing with a particularly tremendous piece of the all things considered neighborhood blockchain burdens to the Dogelon defaces cost projections for the following decade, up to the continuous day or so. They really thought in any case going before skipping into the Elon quote and dissecting numbers that could by and large get you drained for not a kind of phenomenal explanation, utilizing all possible means. Basically let us essentially inspect the plan of experiences and a pivotal design of Dogelon damages, keeping watch, and how things essentially are helping the blockchain with keeping an eye out for its difficulties in a genuinely huge way. We will try to answers these regularly truly searched for clarification on specific things. Is Dogelon defaces Elon? A shrewd hypothesis which unquestionably is truly basic. How much will Dogelon damages unequivocally be worth in 2025? Or how positively much will Dogelon defaces overall be truly worth in 10 years? Dogelon defaces at absolutely present truly stays at 0.000000033 USD, with a market capitalization of 183,189,174, making it rank 141 in the primary coins list, which in a general sense is really basic. Elon surely has a 24-hour volume of 1,462,551, as per tech newsletter Esteem list, or so. The overall idea of the value of Dogelon damages by and large has changed 0.19 in the past 24 hours, which is extremely tremendous in most recent 7 days. The cost of Elon generally has a qualification in 808, sort of rather than pervasive reasoning. It is restricted to a generally sort of ludicrous load of 552,622,516,859,620 coins in a really tremendous way. Dogelon defaces esteem assumption 2022 Elon by and large have titanic potential with express worked with tries and movements, could create how much clients and adoption in a subtle way. Expecting the market revolves around setting resources into Dogelon damages, the cost could climb a lot higher, which is really basic by 2022. It can particularly appear at a greatest truly worth of 0.000000068, which basically is truly colossal. It generally is typical that the Elon will particularly turn a squeeze, expecting the market goes during the time 2022 can end, with a normal cost of 0.0000060 with a base cost of 0.000000058 and the best cost of 0.000000068 in a straightforward way. Dogelon defaces esteem gauge 2023 out of 2023. With seriously assembling and relationship between other basic blockchain networks, the cost of Dogelon blemishes would essentially remove the best exchanging cost, could reach 0.000000102 out of 2023 or so. They essentially thought the cost arrives voluntarily by and large, be exceptionally in the current style, expecting we keep it that way in an exceptionally huge way. By virtue of all that works out in an extremely fair way. We can generally expect a typical cost of 0.000000086, with a greatest cost of 0.000000102 for 2023. Dogelon defaces esteem conjecture 2024, evidently by 2024 Dogelon blemishes Elon costs will particularly appeared at a level like they're really past all-time high by 2024. We might from a genuine perspective at some point expect a generally average expense of 0.000000117 or so. They unequivocally figured because of everything does effectively. We expected the best cost of Dogelon blemishes could for the most part depend upon 0.000000145 out of 2024 in an honest way. Plainly there basically are chances that the market will generally dump after a long bull particularly run, and it from a genuine perspective is generally average for modernized money market in a truly critical way. Dogelon damages esteem estimate 2025 Dogelon defaces regularly present worth overall reach could revenue different sellers and consequently Elon might from a genuine perspective at any point reach 0.000000200 by 2025. With basic joint exertion with cash-related foundations, assuming the going with basics positively are satisfied with a customary cost of 0.000000174 for 2025. It can beat the furthest down the line worth guide to appear at new highs. The value brand name can fundamentally differentiate as the crypto market can see one truly more bullish model while heading to 2025 in a genuinely critical way. Dogelon damages esteem gauge 2026 flimsiness drives the high-level currency market, or so they thought today. It isn't simple to check, and in each pragmatic sense, stay aware of the advancing surveying, which by and large, is extremely immense. Different crypto experts kind of become possibly the principal figure really such way or so they kind of thought the regarding surmises generally are suitable for the alluded to years, despite pervasive reasoning. Crypto clients surely are as of now worried about the crypto boycotts and new obstructions in a particularly enormous way. Dogelon damages cost could check 0.000000294 on the off chance that the market sees a fair bull kind of run in 2026, which particularly is exceptionally gigantic, considering that it genuinely is typical for genuinely be held by significant length financial support. Its standard cost for 2026 will be around 0.000000248 Elon esteem assumption 2027. For incredibly extended length Dogelon damages, cost presumptions, focal evaluation is fundamental, which generally is exceptionally basic to the degree that industry benefits the close by symbolic, positively offers a couple that basically electronic economy's opportunity, makes it pretty extraordinary as dApps and all around. That truly matters. Stablecoins make the affiliation fundamentally offers horrible programmable part, worked with errands and cut-off choices in an unassuming manner. Possibly the all-around common cost of Elon will move to around 0.000000371 by 2027. In the event that altogether more financial sponsors are drawn to the IDA for 2027, the year can end with a for the most part generally ridiculous cost of 0.000000411, with a base worth level of 0.000000359. Outstandingly contrary to standard reasoning, Elon esteem assumption 2028 Elon will fund